the hell is that? No, the timeout. I was reading that. I wanted to know the riddle. Connection reestablished. System override successful. Here is your riddle. I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish. What am I? What? An ant colony? I don't know. That's hard. Notice help from chat is permitted to solve the riddle. Chat, think for me. A coral reef? That would have fish, guys. Ant colony won't survive the water. That's hard. I don't know, bro. That is hard. A globe. A painting? A map? A map? Sure, so surely Riddle Guy gives us the answer. Hint. The Riddle Parrot has records that in Legacy Minecraft you often spawn with this item in your inventory. He liked the old pumpkin texture. If you want to give me a list of specific Twitch integration features you want so I can get them done today or tomorrow. Bro, we said a map already. We did say a map already, to be fair. Success log. The Riddle Parrot sends apologies. He didn't think you locked the answer in. Congratulations. Your riddle time plus second place. Your riddle time puts you in second place behind Molly Mech, Lynx ahead of Max GG's and John A. Good luck with your service and hardware setup. Impressive the riddle. Impresses the Riddle Parrot. Cheerio. What the hell? Riddle Parrot. That's crazy. As long as we're in front of John A. True. Okay. We're getting closer now. Thank you for the gifted sub. W gifted. You're cool, Riddle Parrot.